Hey everybody, this is Ryan, and this here is a barbecue, basically a side table that you can use for grilling. In this video, I'm gonna give you an idea of how long it takes to install, give you some very specific measurements, and an overall review of this item. Now, this company did reach out to me and provided this to me, and they asked me to do really this type of review, but in no way whatsoever with this being provided to me affect my review. I'm just here to keep it real. So what all do you get? Now, this does not come assembled. It took about 20 minutes. All the tools except a Phillips screwdriver came with this, and the only thing you need a Phillips screwdriver used for is just 4 screws, 1, 2, and then 2 more on the other side. This end piece on the side, you just quickly lift up and it will fold down to make it a little bit more compact and then go back up. The total dimensions when this is open is right at 36 inches this way and about 20.5 inches this way. So with the side folded down, you're right at 26 inches. That does not include the handle. If you include the handle in the measurement, you're looking at right at 28 inches this way. And again, this is right at 20.5 inches this way. Now, from a height standpoint, you're right at 32 inches tall. It does come with this case that has all of the nuts and bolts that come with it. Everything you pretty much need, again, except for that Phillips screwdriver to get these bolts here on the end. It does come with some hooks here that can be moved around in your based on what you need to hang additional items, such as tongs or something for anything in regards to your grill. It also has some additional brackets right here for, I would think, for maybe a small propane tank, the way it's set up. It does come with wheels, so it's easy to move around. It's very lightweight. Handle is very sturdy. This is a metal, maybe probably aluminum material. It's sturdy, but at the same time, it's fairly light in the grand scheme of things. So if you were looking for an end table, side table, something like that to really complement your grilling experience. Hopefully this answers any questions that you might have, and we'll talk to you soon.